Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we dive into day-to-day real-world SQL problems and of course how to solve them effectively. So imagine this, you have been asked by your manager to prepare a report on total salary of all employees including their bonuses. Sounds simple, right? So you have taken this employee salary table which contains three columns: employee ID, salary, bonus. So you could see that for some of the employees, the bonus part is null because they didn't receive their bonus yet. And for the total pay, you write a query like this. So you select all the columns and the total pay is salary plus bonus from the employee salary table. And now imagine this is not just a report. Assume salaries are rolled out based on this query. So you'll get the panic calls from HR and angry emails from the employees that wondering why their salary didn't hit their account. All because of one small mistake in your SQL query. Let's query this. So, yes, that is the biggest mistake. So for those employees whose bonus is null, the total pay is also null. Do you know why? So in SQL, something plus null is equal to null. In SQL, null means unknown value. So if we add something to the unknown value, the result is also the unknown value that is causing the issue in our query also. So since you have added the salary with a null value from the bonus, the result also becomes null. So you can fix it easily with the coalesce function in SQL. It returns the first non-null value from the list. So the syntax is the coalesce and inside the brackets you provide all the values. It will check for the first non-null value from the list. So first it checks for value 1. If it is not null, it will return the value 1. If it is null, it goes to value 2 and so on. So the result is first non-null value. The same coalesce function we are going to apply to the bonus to get the correct result. So the before the bonus part, so we are going to apply this coalesce function. So what this coalesce will do, it will check for the first non-null value. It checks if bonus is not null. If it is not null, it will return the bonus value. If it is null, it checks for the next value which is 0. It will return 0. So the salary plus 0 for those employees whose bonus is null, it will be replaced by 0. So you will get the correct result. So you get the correct report. So this coalesce function not only used in calculation but also used as a default value to return a default value in case no preferred data is available. For example, you are a part of HR team and send a welcome kits to new employees. So you need to send a kit to their home address. If that is missing, you will use their office address. If both are missing, you want to show a clear message address not found, so your team knows to follow manually. So this is the employee table, contains the work address and home address. So it needs to return the preferred address, or if it is both are not available, it returns the clear message. So you can write it using the coalesce function like this. So the coalesce function first checks for the work address. If it is not null, it will send a kit to the work address. So it will return the result of work address. If it is null, it will check for the home address. If both are null, it will throw the clear message like address not found. So you could see for the third employee, both work address and the home address are null. So the message comes as address not found. So we can see the meaningful data in the report. And you need to follow two rules while writing the coalesce function. So it checks from left to right. So there are multiple values inside the coalesce function and it will check from left to right. So the first value is null, the second value is null, and the third value is first. Having the data, it will return first because it is the first non-null value from left to right. And the second rule is match data types. So all the values inside the coalesce function must be of the same data type to avoid the error. So the main reasons why we use coalesce is handles the null values effectively and it first available value it will pick as a fallback logic. So instead of writing multiple if else conditions, we can write it using the single coalesce function. So in the next video, we could see what is the difference between the null if versus this coalesce function. And if you find this video helpful, please sure to like this video, leave a comment if you ever face a similar SQL issue and subscribe for more real world SQL scenarios. Thank you. We'll see it in the next video.